What's up guys, this is Massey. In this video I want to show you how to simplify radical expressions. I'm going to give you different examples. First one is square root of 108 times y to the power 4 divided by 49. The answer will be 108 is 36 times 3. So it's going to be 36 is 6 squared times 3 y to the power 4 divided by 49 is 7 squared. So it will be 6 squared y to the power 4 divided by 7 squared times square root of 3. Then it will be, after you evaluate it, it will be 6 y to the power of 2 divided by 7 root 3. So basically when we have square roots, it's going to be 6 to the power of 2 divided by 2, which is 6, y to the power of 4 divided by 2, which is y squared. 7 to the power of 2 divided by 2 is going to be just 7, and root 3 is root 3. Next example is square root of 28 q to the power of 6 divided by 225. The answer is 28 is basically 7 times 4, or 7 times 2 squared, q to the power of 6. And 225 is 25 times 9. 25 times 9, it means that 25 is 5 squared and 9 is 3 squared. So we can write it like that. So then we can have 2 squared, q to the power of 6, 5 to the 5 squared, 3 squared, square root of 7. Then it will be 2 q to the power of 3 divided by 5 times 3. Square root of 5 squared is 5, square root of 3 squared is 3. 5 times 3 is going to be 15. Then square root of 7. Next example. Square root of 150 r cubed divided by 256. The answer is 150 is 25 times 6. So it's going to be 25 times 6 times r cubed. 256 is 2 to the power of 8. So it will be 5 squared r squared r 6 divided by 2 to the power of 8. So it will be 5r square root of r6, or 6r divided by 2 to the power of 4, because 2 to the power of 8 divided by 2 is going to be 2 to the power of 4, or 16. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.